I got this package today. I actually have not seen this in real life, so y'all get to see this with me. I saw it online and I just fell in love with it. So I ordered it, so we'll see if this is what I thought it would look like. I'm super excited about this package. Ta-da! It is the high five. It's leather and it's got this I don't know what the print is called, but you can actually put your credit cards in here and maybe like a keychain maybe, but I would probably just put like a credit card or credit cards in it and maybe some cash and then so there's a little hook here, so you can wear it like this. I think it is super cute.